So let's get going on building a Wix website. Go to wix.com, choose get started. When you're there, you're going to choose continue with Google, and you're going to log in with your school Gmail account credentials. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So when you're logged in, this is what you'll see. It's going to ask you what kind of website you want to create. So you're going to choose photography. Okay, I'm going to choose this very first template. Okay, I want everyone to use the same template, but if you don't want to, that's probably okay. Just understand that if you don't use the same template, the navigation might be different and the buttons might be different. So just try and follow the steps if you don't use the same template that I'm using. Okay, let's say I'm using this one called fashion photography. I'll choose edit. So if you've picked the same template that I have, the first thing you'll need to do is when you click on anything there, let's dismiss this because I'm going to show you how to get started. So you're going to click on the name there, and you're going to choose edit the text, so it's already highlighted. So I'll type my name there, Peter Pan there. Next, you're going to go up to this top caret here, click on that, and you're going to do manage pages. Manage pages. So you'll see that the home page is the icon that shows you where the house is. That's what you'll see on the front end of this page on this website. This is called the back end. This is where you do all the editing. That's why you see the link has a name that says editor.wix.com and then the link to your website. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is check on the contact page and see what it looks like. When I click on this caret and I go to contact page, there should already be a contact form on here, see? So you would edit this. And how would you do that? You just click on here. You can probably change the name. Okay, I would try to change this so that if you don't want this to be there, you can just delete it. It's better than, I would just delete this because you're not going to use your phone number on there, so you might as well delete it. And then probably the next thing you're going to do here is I'm going to delete this part here where it says Elizabeth Bach proudly created. I'm going to delete that as well. Alright, then you can link your Instagram accounts too. So I can click on here and add a link. So highlight Instagram and then click on the chain for a link. Then I know what the link is to my website. So I will type in right here, I'll type in Peter Pan photography. And then I'll make sure that how does it open? I'll say it opens in a new window right there. Okay, I'm just gonna link my Instagram account. I'm not gonna link my Facebook or Twitter because I hardly use those things. Alright, once I'm done with that, I want to make sure nothing else on this page needs to be linked. Then I'll go back to manage pages, and I will probably go to the about page next. To go to the about page, I'm looking at this, like, okay, that's not a picture of me, so I'm going to delete this picture. Select it and then hit delete. Then it's gone, right? about me. You can probably write something about me, and I'm at the very least, what I'll do is I'll just change my name here. At the very least, that's what you should do. Then here it says I'm a paragraph. You can probably write something, and I'll come back to this later. So you can add a picture of yourself over here. Okay, you can add a picture of yourself over here. I don't happen to have one handy, so I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, one thing that you need to do for your website is you're gonna go and choose and add a blog. On the top left, you see 4 buttons. Click on the one that says Add Apps. When that comes up, you're gonna type in the search field blog, B-L-O-G, and then hit return, and then choose any one of these blogs. Okay, any one of these. So I would just choose the Wix blog. Make it easy. Choose the Wix blog and then add to site. This will take a while, so you have to wait. Wix blog and then hit next. When that is done, choose manage posts. I'm going to delete all those blog posts that are just dummies. They're just templates. They're not my pictures, they're not my words. So I'm going to select all. I'll move to trash, and I'll confirm move to trash. Next, I'm going to exit out of that. Then I'm going to visit you should see now I have a work, a journal, about, contact. I believe with this website, the journal is the blog. I'm not sure, so I'm going to confirm. Let me go to the journal and take a look. No, I guess it isn't. The journal is not a blog. Maybe it is. No, the journal is not considered a blog in this case. Alright, so right now when I'm looking at the navigation, the one thing that I've noticed is all these words are uppercase and my blog is not in uppercase. So let me fix that before I leave. So I'll go down to the top, go up to the top, do manage posts, and then I'll come here and type B-L-O-G in uppercase. Now that button is in uppercase. So it looks like I'm ready to go, and this is what you should do. You're gonna do publish, and then you're gonna copy this. Make sure you copy everything here. Make sure you get the whole thing. Control C, then done. Now switch to a Google Classroom. Go to the stream of your Google Classroom, and then Control V and paste it over here, and that's all you need to do to start your blog and your website.